everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 6 of Breathe and Flow, a 15-day yoga challenge. And I am your host and yoga instructor, Kiki. So today we are going to explore a dynamic yoga flow. And this yoga flow will have mobility incorporated into it, and we'll focus on moving more fluidly through our practice. So for this practice, you'll need a blanket and 2 yoga blocks. So grab that and we will get started. So we're going to start seated. So sit your hips on the mat. Sit tall in your spine, roll your shoulders up and back. Open the chest. Let your hands rest on your knees. And we'll start with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. And from here, we're going to come over to hands and knees. And you can grab your blanket if you like here. So your blanket is for cushion for your knee. And that's optional, so just bring your knees on to the blanket. And then coming into your table pose, having your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. And we're just going to go through a cat and cow. So inhale, lower the belly, chest is forward, gaze is forward. Exhale, curl the back, chin to chest. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And then from here, we're going to go from we're going to go from cat and cow. We're going to tuck the toes under, lift into downward facing dog, shift forward to a plank, and then come back to our table. And we're going to repeat that 3 times. So in your table pose, inhale to your cow pose, lower the belly. Exhale, curl the back. Tuck the toes under here, and then you're going to lift your knees and lift your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Take a breath. Shift your weight forward, come into your plank. You can always bring the knees down. Take a breath. And then if you're in plank, lower the knees down, coming back to your table pose. You can readjust here. And then repeating, inhale, lower the belly. Exhale, curl the back. Tuck the toes under. Lift to your downward facing dog. Take a breath. Shift forward to your plank. And then lower down to your knees. Coming back to our cat and cow. Inhale. Exhale, curl the back. Tuck the toes under, lifting to our downward facing dog. Breath. Shift forward to your plank. Lower down to your knees, coming back to your table pose. And for here, you can have a block or two in front of you. So keep your right hand planted. We're going to inhale, lifting that left arm up. Exhale, bring it down underneath your right. 2 more times. Inhale, arm out and up. Exhale, bring it down. 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. So once you bring it down, you can bring your blocks underneath your head. And take a breath here. And then release. Coming back to our table pose. So same thing here, keeping the left hand down. Inhale, reach the right arm out and up. Exhale, coming under the left arm. Inhale, arm out and up. Exhale, bring the arm underneath. Last one, inhale, arm out and up. And exhale. You can move your blocks closer, let your head rest on that. And enjoy the twist for a full breath. And then release. Put your blocks off to the side. Put your blanket off to the side. We'll come to a seated position. So bring your hands beside you. And we're sitting tall. And starting with your left hand, inhale as you reach your left arm up. Palm is facing forward. Once you get to the top, turn your palm, and then exhale, bring that arm down behind you. So palm is facing down, and then bring the palm facing down towards the mat. Back to where you started. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale. Turn the palm, exhale. Coming back down. 1 more time, inhale. Turn the palm, exhale, coming down. And then moving to the other side, right hand, right palm is facing down. Inhale, reaching that palm forward and up. Turn the palm, exhale, bring it down. Palm facing down where it started. Inhale, reach the arm up. Palm is facing forward. Exhale, turn the palm, bring it down. 1 more time. Inhale, arm comes up. Exhale, turn the palm, bring that arm down. And then moving back to the left side, And then we're going the opposite way. So this time, palm is facing down. You're going to turn it back, reach it back behind you and inhale. And then as you get to the top, you'll turn the palm to face forward and exhale. Bring it down by your side. Inhale, reaching the arm back. Palm is facing forward. Exhale, bring that palm down. 1 more time. Inhale, reach the arm back and up. Palm is facing forward. Exhale, coming down. And then moving to the next hand, the right hand. Reach your arm up. Nope. Reach your arm back and up. Palms facing forward and and forward, down. Again, inhale, arm goes back. Exhale, palm comes forward and down. Last time, reach the arm back. Palm is facing forward and arm is down. This time we're going to do opposite arms. So both palms are facing down to start. Let's start with the left arm going forward and the right arm going back. So this may take a little bit of coordination. It's a practice, so don't beat yourself up about it. Just try. So left arm goes forward, right arm goes back. They're going to meet at the top, and you're going to turn each palm and go the opposite way back down. One more time. Left palm goes forward, right palm goes back. Meet at the top, turn the palms, and go the opposite way. One more time. We're moving to the opposite way. So this time, the left palm goes back, the right palm goes forward. So let's try. Right forward, left back. Meet at the top, turn the palms, and go the opposite way back down. One more time, you can do it. Right forward, left back. And opposite way down. All right. And then we're going to come onto our backs for one last dynamic movement with our legs. So once you're down, having the knees bent, we're going to start with the right leg. So bring your right knee in, reach that foot up, flex the foot, and start to slowly lower that leg down towards the mat. We're not going all the way down. You're going to hover it above the mat just for a second. And then bring that knee back in. We'll do that 2 more times. Reach the foot up and lower. Hover. Bring that knee back in. Last time, reaching that leg up. Slowly lower. And then place that foot back on the mat. Moving to the other side, left leg. Bring the left knee in. Reach the left foot up. Flexing the foot here. And then slowly start to lower that leg down towards the mat. Hover it above the mat just a little bit. And then bring that knee back in 2 more times, reaching that foot up. Slowly lower. Bringing that knee in one last time, reaching the left leg up and lower. Hold and place that leg back on the mat. Bring the right knee back in, reach that leg up, and this time we're going to do some half circles. So let that leg go out to the right, around, and then hover it above the mat just for a second. And then we'll come back, around, and up. One more time. Around into a half circle. And hold. And then back around. And up. And then place that foot on the mat. Bring the left knee in. Reach it up. Same thing here. Let the left leg go out into a half circle. And then coming down. Holding that heel up above the mat. And then reaching it back out. And coming back up. One more time. Half circle out to the side. And down. Hold it. And then bring that half circle back around. And place the feet on the mat. And we'll end here with our 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Thanks for joining me today for our dynamic yoga flow. And of course, I want to hear from you. What did you think about this practice? Let's talk in the comments, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 7 of the Breathe and Flow Yoga Challenge.